I'm Drew Williams, Blended Learning Specialist for the Nampa School District, and I'm here today to talk about how the 2023 Replacement Supplemental Levy will benefit our students. In the Nampa School District, we offer a blended learning environment, allowing our teachers to provide authentic, hands-on learning and discussion balanced with access to digital platforms to support student learning needs. These devices are like a ticket to the future. Our students are using today's technology, allowing them to learn the digital skills they'll need for tomorrow's world. One of the fantastic things about one-to-one devices is accessibility. One-to-one devices help us make sure that every student gets individual support. One example is Microsoft's Immersive Reader, which helps students by breaking down text, reading it aloud, and highlighting important words. This makes learning more accessible for those who struggle with reading or understanding the material, and it can also translate into a student's native language, thus removing barriers. Lastly, with these devices, students are empowered to demonstrate their learning in creative ways, such as digital stories, posters, presentations, videos, and more. These types of activities can encourage students to be more involved and excited about what they're studying. In the end, the technology portion of the 2023 Replacement Supplemental Levy isn't just about devices, it's about helping our students excel academically, develop essential digital skills, and gain a competitive edge for their education and beyond. To learn more about the Replacement Supplemental Levy, please go to the website on your screen.